Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you are already subscribed or if you have subscribed, so you can get notifications every single time I upload a new video. My social medias will be listed in the description box and maybe at the end of the video on the screen at the bottom or something. But yeah, so this is by the title, a tutorial slash review. So I'll be straightening my hair during this video, and then I'm talking as well while I straighten, so you guys could pretty much see how it straightens, see how it is when it's not straightened and in, you know, a completely normal natural state. Yeah, so this week, before I start, is my Ombré TL412 Brazilian straight 13x4 lace frontal wig in 26 inches, and it is 180% density. So that long ass name, starting from Ombre to density, is the title of this wig. So it's already a mouthful, and if you'd like to know, just as a spoiler, yes, I do love this wig. Yes, I enjoy working with it. It was very manageable. There are like two cons, but for the most part, the wig is worth the price. The wig is worth the buy, and it's worth all the cons that, you know, we go through, because the cons are really just normal stuff that everybody goes through with some weave, even celebrities. So don't be fooled, and don't be thinking that it's the worst thing in the world, because it's not. It's very normal. But yeah, let me just stop rambling and jump into the video so I can show you guys how I straighten this gorgeous wig. And yeah, I'll see you lovely ladies in my next one. Thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. So I got the opportunity to, you know, showcase it and tell you guys about it. But yeah, keep on watching, and okay, so yeah, we're gonna just jump into this quick tutorial review situation that we got going on over here. So what I'm pretty much going to do in this video is just straighten and talk to you guys about the wig. So far I've had this wig on for about a week. That's the longest I'll ever keep a hair in consistently. And so far so good. It still is, you know, glued down and secure. I did get lifting on the sides, but that's just the way I glued it down, because I did not put multiple layers on the side. It was like a layer of glue on the side, so that's why the sides came up, and I wiped it off and did not reinstall, because I knew I would have taken it off eventually. But all is still well with this hair. It still feels cotton soft. I really wanted to do the roots black, like jet black, just so, you know, my plucking would show better, and, you know, just so the wig can, you know, fit my face properly, or just better overall. Maybe I would have went in with a darker brown on the roots, but that's just how this wig came. So if you want to have like this honey brown hair in the back and blonde streaks in the front, go for it. It's really cute, and this honey brown gives off ginger vibes. Like, you'll be looking at the whole ginger head girl, like, meaning hair color wise. So that's cute. I like that look. Not my favorite, because color, every time I put on color, I'm just so anxious to take it off. This one was cute for sure. This one, it did have a buzz, and I actually like it. So to bed, honestly, I didn't really wear that many scarves, hence why the glue came up, but I did for the first night. I'm not gonna cap to you. I actually wore a scarf just so that the glue could set in properly, you know, and so that this install could have lasted, you know, as long as it did. So to give this hair a rating, honestly, it would get a 9 out of 10 because it's blonde. It shows up as a little bit fuzzy sometimes, and sometimes it's like sleek and nice and straight, but that's after you straighten it, and for that period of time it stays straightened. But as soon as, you know, like you go in the shower and humidity you know, comes into place and effect, then you'll find that the hair gets a little bit fuzzy, but not fuzzy uncontrollably, but like, you know, you'll see that it isn't like in its straightened bone straight state anymore. And that's also it's okay. It is hair. Everything has a fault to it, so, you know, like it's something minor, because if you need this hair straightened, all you gotta do is straighten it and you'll be a-okay. As for shedding, I do get shed hairs, and that's honestly because this unit is colored. I feel like with any other Nadula unit, I don't get shedding or that much shedding, and it's the same with this, but the shedding on this one isn't better than the shedding on a normal Nadula wig, and it all has to do with color and how delicate the hair is, and, you know, how many times, like how you care for the hair, how you wrap it up at night. That all plays a part, because if you don't wrap your hair up at night, girl, it's obviously gonna shed, because tangling causes shedding, and in wigs, of course. And that's just how, you know, this wig was created. And to be honest, you won't even miss a shed hair, because this wig is so thick. It is super duper thick, not unbearably thick, but thick to the point where you won't miss it, because it's really full, I should say. The hair is full of life. Like, it moves, it isn't stiff. Like, you know, when you would probably try doing this color on some jet black hair or some regular black hair, and you have to tone it up and do all that work, and the hair just becomes lifeless and stiff. If you want to skip out that whole coloring process, and I know personally I do colors sometimes, and whenever I do colors, it takes like a whole day to color, because I want to make sure that I'm air drying my wigs to, you know, prevent more shedding, to prevent putting too much heat and tension on the follicles of the hair and the strands of hair. Like, whenever doing a color job, I try my best to stay on the natural side of things after coloring, and I know that takes me a super duper long time. So I for sure know that this is going to cancel out all your worries and struggles and problems. Honestly, all you have to do is probably color the roots jet black, or, you know, leave it like this. This is perfectly fine as well. The color is definitely different. It gives me a different vibe. Like, I've had streaks before, but this one is cute. This one is actually very cute, and I know for a fact that I think I would fall in love over and over again with this wig if only I just had my roots colored black. That's all. So overall rating, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 8-9 out of 10, just because of, you know, the little shedding here and there. But again, it doesn't look like it's missing no hair, because it is 180% density, so it's most definitely on the thicker side of things. And Honestly, because I wanted the roots to be jet black or a natural black. So that's the only reason why it gets a 8-9. If everything else was perfect and it was no shedding, and it was caused by me, or some of it was caused by me, because I wasn't sleeping with a bonnet or a scarf. So therefore, when you're sleeping, you know, the hair rubs up, causes a frizz, and once it causes a frizz, you're gonna have to comb it out. You keep combing and putting tension on, hair period is gonna fall out. So always ain't perfect. This wig is a gorgeous wig, love it, but that's the only reason why it did not get a 10 out of 10. But all in all, it's cute. I like it. I definitely would recommend it because it most definitely is on the fuller and thicker side of things. It is 100, it has a whole bunch of life. It gets bone straight and silky straight, and the color job is impeccable. Like, this is some cute ass hair. This is a bomb ass color job. So I don't know who colored this, but you did your thing, girl. You did that. So yeah, I like it, and I'm gonna give it a 8-9 out of 10. And yeah, so if you like this wig, how it looks on my skin tone, which is perfect for brown girls, chocolate girls, dark girls, light skin girls, white girls, anybody could wear this wig. Like, it pops, it makes my skin color pop more. It just, you know, it makes me feel whole in a sense. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I would recommend this unit, as I had said before. So if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you. And yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Nadula for sending me this bomb ass wig. And if you'd like to see how I installed it for it to last that long, and I'm pretty sure that if I had put more layers on the side and used a scarf and bonnet at night, it would stretch to about 2 weeks. So yeah, I have a video on that, and I will link it in the description box at the top, so you can see the second part, or wait, no, the first part of the 2 video with this wig on. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.